Alright, so here we got the AEM cold air intake for the V6 engine. A bunch of paper. Cover. This box right here is the actual filter. Got the tube. The rubber pieces for protection. More pieces. Alright. Clamps, screws. Instructions, but we ain't gonna need that. Alright, so you're gonna be putting this piece, the smaller rubber garment. It's gonna go right here. And then all the other pieces are gonna go around here, down here. Alright. Measuring it, see how much you need to cut, and then cut it.
I gotta give him the video, bro. There's little metal things, right, in there? Yeah. Why you gotta pull up like that, bro? No. Damn, those what? Well, coming in, but you got a magnify. I don't got shit right now.
What's up, man?
Bro, them white covers nice. Nice. Fits all good. They're supposed to be on the inside?
Yeah. So that when you put the original part in here, it gets tight.
Yeah. And this, well, you just cut it once, right? It goes all the way around?
No, I gotta cut this a couple times actually.
For real?
Yeah. This would look like with the rubber pieces on. This is how you want to have it set up. All right. So you can put this on. Go this way. Match up the holes. We use these right here. These are 10mm bolts. All right. Should tighten them. You're gonna take this one, gonna go right here. Take the clamp. You might have to open it up a little bit.
These are what's left, right?
Yeah.
This goes on the sensor, right?
Yeah, but I just used the original ones.
That's what I do on my old one.
Yeah, I just use
no. You got to use these ones though.
Really?
Yeah. Because I did that with my old one, and when I went to remove it to sell it to you, I stripped the little fucking OEM bolt. And I was like, yo, since I'm getting rid, I'm not gonna give it a J. I was like, I'll put it back in my car. I just fucking threw it out. So you gotta use these ones. because the diameter, the OEM ones are just a bit wider. Like the circle is actually bigger. So that plays an effect. It like stretches it out. I should have done that first thing, but I wanted to put the diffuser on with it, you know. That diffuser looks hard as shit to put on. It doesn't look like it's gonna sit flush. But,
what, the one I have?
Yeah.
No, this
it's easy. It's easier than the V1.
Yeah, way easier.
Really?
Way easier, bro.
The V1 was easy for me.
You see how mine was on there? My shit is literally perfect on my car.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why I was waiting for you to.
Since I installed it.
That's why I was waiting for you. And that joint paint matched. Ooh, that joint about to look good.
Everything now.
You don't install this? I thought you put all the rubber shit on, and then you install like this on whatever.
No, all this is about to go in at the same time.
At the same time?
Yeah.
You just gotta remove all that shit.
Yeah, I did it the opposite way. I did everything inside the engine that had a hard time.
No. When I installed.
All right, so this is the prep work of getting it all together. It's better to do it this way to get it set now. That way you just throw it inside the engine, put the tube together, tighten the clamps, and it's all done. Make sure the AEM is straight, angled like this. You want to make sure that this is tight. You don't want this to move. You don't want this to move, and you gotta make sure these are tight too. All right, so when you're taking put the intake in, you're taking all this off. All right, this comes free. You put that off to the side because you're gonna need to use it again. You're gonna loosen this clamp right here. We already loosened it up. We'll take this off. Make sure you take this cover off right here. Did you order this, Sean? It's a Camry. Yeah, I did too. I seen the comment. I was like, oh yeah, I'm copping that joint.
It should be coming in like tomorrow, I think. That joint clean.
Yeah,
It's
real,
little.
bro.
Like, it was like $9. Air box, whatever that shit is.
Take these off right here. This is important because you're gonna have to use this later on, this specific spot. This part comes out. Go to the side. And then this, you're just gonna pull, and it'll come right out. Comes out of these right here. You'll see them down here. You can reuse these. Take this part out. You're gonna reuse this later. Just put it off to the side. Take this clamp, squeeze it. Pull that off to the side. This part right here, squeeze this clamp, pull it down. I'm gonna take this tube, take it off.
What else? Anything else? No, that's it.
And then you're gonna unscrew this clamp over here. All right, and that comes off. That's all the stuff you need to take out of the engine before you install your AEM intake, cold air intake. All right, so I'm gonna take this right here. It's gonna go inside there. Bottom one, it's gonna reach down there, and then this part is gonna line up with this right here. All right, and you're gonna take this, you're gonna put it back inside. Like that. And these two gonna line up just like that. All right. So we can secure it now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt back in.
Put the airflow sensor on. We'll tighten those up in a little bit. Up to the John. Fucking text.
Next, you're gonna take this, run it back through this way. You're not going to be able to use the original clips on the aftermarket intake or aftermarket filter. Whatever. Put it right here. These right here, this is the one that originally came with the Toyota intake, and this is the one on my right is the one for the AEM. You want to use this one because it's slightly shorter. All right. Alright, so here we go. We got the air intake fully installed. This shit is pulling. Hey yo, that shit pulling like crazy.